Cryptocurrency may have started out as the Wild West of investing, but now it's in the mainstream. Institutional investors and big banks see it as a real asset, even though there has been a lot of volatility and regulatory changes in China and other places. If you need to see how volatile things can be, think about this. When Bitcoin's value hit a low of $28,893.62 on April 11, it was worth only $28,893.62. Over the last year, it has risen to a record high of $68,789.63. There has been a lot of ups and downs with cryptocurrency. Many investors are still looking for the next big thing to happen. Keep reading to find out which cryptocurrencies might soon be worth a lot of money. Which cryptocurrency is set to explode? If you want to start buying cryptocurrency, you might be wondering, which one has the best chance of making you money? Bitcoin might be the obvious choice, but it might not be the best one in 2022. A smaller coin that hasn't already been pumped up by big investors, like Bitcoin, might be better for your chances of making a lot of money than Bitcoin. Building wealth. Here are 5 cryptos that still have a high ceiling. 1. Ethereum, ETH. Cointelegraph says that Ethereum, also known as Ether, is the world's second largest cryptocurrency, behind Bitcoin. Recently, it even outperformed Bitcoin in terms of price gains. Last year, Ethereum made a big change that cut the amount of Ether that could be made. There are now 120.33 billion coins in circulation. As a result, the Ethereum network will be able to handle more transactions per second, make the platform more scalable and cut transaction fees. Because Bitcoin has a cap on how many coins there can be, Ethereum doesn't have the same scarcity and widespread use by businesses and governments as Bitcoin. Ethereum isn't just a place to keep money. It can also be used to buy things. It's also a platform from which apps can be made. Other cryptocurrencies are made on top of Ethereum, and it is the foundation of decentralized money. 2. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance is the best cryptocurrency exchange in terms of how much money it moves. Like Bitcoin, Binance Coin has a hard cap on the number of tokens that can be in circulation. In this case, there are 165,116,760 tokens in the world at the same time. This made the price of tokens soar a lot in 2021. Because Binance puts a fifth of its profits each quarter into permanently getting rid of BNB tokens, the value of the remaining tokens goes up because the tokens are worth more now. Binance has 2 blockchains, which helps it avoid the kind of bottlenecks Ethereum is prone to. It's also fast and scalable, and Binance is in the process of making the platform more regulatory friendly, according to Seeking Alpha. This could be important to its long-term success and widespread use. According to CoinMarketCap, Binance is also setting up Bifinity, a platform that will help businesses get ready to accept digital assets as payment. The payment processing platform can accept more than 50 different types of cryptocurrency. 3. Tether, USDT. Tether is a type of stablecoin that is meant to be less volatile than Bitcoin because it is linked to another asset. It's the US dollar in this case. In terms of value, Tether has a 1-to-1 relationship with the dollar, which makes it less risky than cryptos like Bitcoin and Ether. With a market value of $82.57 billion, it's the largest stablecoin and the 3rd largest coin in the whole world. People who want to use Tether can do so without having to learn about complicated digital currencies. You can also give it to cryptocurrency platforms in exchange for double-digit, yearly, interest rates. You don't have to worry about volatility taking your money away. 4. Decentraland, Mana. There's a virtual reality game on the Ethereum blockchain called Decentraland. It's played with Mana tokens, which are used as in-game money. Users can buy goods and services, buy land, visit other players, and make money with their own content. Mana's current price of $2.12 is about 385% more than its 52-week low of 43.68 cents. In terms of market value, Mana is the most popular cryptocurrency for games, by far. The Sandbox and ApeCoin are both competing with Blocky, and in-game assets are very expensive. Land parcels on Blocky range in price from a few $1,000s to over $22 million. However, Blocky has some advantages that could help the token move forward. For example, users own the digital assets they make in Decentraland and can change them into currencies other than Mana. 5. Algorand, Algo. Algo, which was founded by a well-known computer scientist, is competing with the Ethereum blockchain. Algorand has been used by hundreds of businesses, according to securities.io. It got a big boost last year when El Salvador said it would build its blockchain infrastructure with Algorand. Borderless Capital, a venture capital firm, recently launched a $500 million fund to invest in digital assets that power decentralized applications on Algorand. Blockworks reported on the news. Algorand is also used by the Marshall Islands Central Bank digital currency, Sovereign, SOV. One of ALGO's best features is its proof-of-stake algorithm, which is very secure and scalable and doesn't use as much electricity as Bitcoin and other platforms. This feature will become even more important as cryptocurrency gets more attention for using a lot of energy. 6. Render Token, RNDR. Render Token is a network that lets miners who have extra bandwidth for graphics processing units give it to artists and creative studios that need more computing power. RNDR is the token that native token creators and miners use to make and mine render tokens on the Render Tokens network. RND was sold to the public in a public sale in 2017. Coinbase only recently added it to its list of coins. RNDR is very risky, but it could benefit from the more attention it's getting on Coinbase and the rise of non-fungible tokens for digital art. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel.